are going to make homemade pizza the fastest way. Here are the ingredients you need. The first step is to add in the self-raising flour, 1.5 cups. And then we can add in some water to make it softer. We'll add in a pinch of salt and mix it well. Make sure your dough can stretch, and then you make it flat. Let's heat up the pan before putting the dough on it. Add the tomato paste on the pizza. Put in some salami. Any toppings you want. Put the pizza in the oven, 250 degrees, for 8 minutes. We can make a Hawaiian pizza.